I got this interesting gadget from Particle called Proton, and I also got the internet button for it. It's an interesting gadget. It's an IoT device that you just flash your own firmware and program it. It has all kinds of functionalities, like it has 4 buttons depending on which zone you press in. It has some LEDs, and it has a beeper and even an accelerometer. That's a hard word. Anyways, so of course, naturally, I did something which has nothing to do with the internet. I wanted to do a Pomodoro timer. And so here's right now how it works is that you press this button or this area here on the bottom, and it starts counting down. Obviously, this is way too fast. Right now, I'm just showing it for demonstration purposes here. So what you saw is that the red timer normally would time down to or count down to 25 minutes. So that was only 5 seconds. So that was way faster. And then there was a white flash or white countdown, which is your rest time in the Pomodoro thing. And when that was done, then you got this green check mark, basically. So if you do it again, this is like the Pomodoro 25 minutes. And then you get the audio cue when that's done. Then you take a break for 5 minutes. And then you got your second thing. And then a third time again, counts down. And you get your third. And then you go your fourth. And usually this is your fourth and last. So you have a bit longer break when you think about, should you continue this or should you do something else? And there was a kind of a other sound cue. So that's the basic thing. And when you do it, it starts from 0 again. And as you see, nothing special here. Some functionalities that I still have here is that you can pause this. So if somebody comes and talks to you, I don't know, it slowly blinks just to show that, okay, it's actually paused. And you can press again to continue. The same functionality works in the rest period here. It slowly blinks. And if you just want to cancel everything and you don't want to do this anymore, you can just hold here on the top portion and it resets everything. So again resets from the 0. I have some further ideas here right now. So it doesn't really need any internet connection, but it is connected to internet. So I think I have thought about disabling that just to spare some batteries, spare some boot up time. There are some quirks there because you flash the firmware through internet, so you need to enable it somehow anyways. And also the LEDs are quite bright right now, so they might be blinding if your office or room is a bit darker. So I was thinking of maybe enabling these side buttons here to control the brightness there. And I guess that's it. This is a very, very neat thing. You program it with C++, or I've done it. I think you can do some Python things as well, if I've understood correctly. Maybe not. But the C++ things have been working for me, even though I'm a total noob in C++. The source code is open source in GitHub. The link is below the video, so feel free to, I don't know, improve it, compile it. I've done it with the Particle dev environment on my local machine, but you should be able to just copy paste it on the cloud builder thing tool if you want to. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I have not used this as a Pomodoro timer yet because I've just been so excited to program it, but I'm sure it works. Hopefully you found those interesting. Bye.